Welcome everyone to this special MCQ series on UGC NET English Literature. This series is designed strictly according to the official UGC syllabus, with high-level, PYQ-based, and concept-trap questions that help you think like a NET examiner. Here, we don't just revise literature, we decode it, challenge it, and master it. First question. In The God of Small Things, who narrates the story? A. Stha, B. Rahel, C. An omniscient third-person narrator with shifting focalization, D. Ammu. The right answer is option C. The novel employs an omniscient third-person narrator whose perspective frequently shifts among characters, especially the twins Stha and Rahel. Next question. The title The God of Small Things symbolically refers to A. The Christian God, B. The value of insignificant people, forbidden love, and overlooked moments. C. Hindu mythology, D. British colonial rule. The right answer is option B. The title symbolizes ordinary lives, marginalized people, forbidden love, and the importance of seemingly small events that shape human destiny. Next question. Which publication by Arundhati Roy is specifically devoted to the Kashmir conflict? A. Walking with the Comrades, B. Azadi, Freedom. Fascism, Fiction, C. The Cost of Living, D. Broken Republic. The right answer is option B. Azadi, Freedom. Fascism, Fiction, 2020, contains extensive reflections on Kashmir, freedom, democracy, and contemporary India. Next question. Arrange the following works chronologically. War Talk, Public Power in the Age of Empire. Field Notes on Democracy. Capitalism, A Ghost Story. A 1, 2, 3, 4, B 2, 1, 3, 4, C 1, 3, 2, 4, D 2, 3, 1, 4. The right answer is option A. War Talk, 2003, Public Power in the Age of Empire, 2004, Field Notes on Democracy, 2009, Capitalism, A Ghost Story, 2014. Next question. Which child dies in The God of Small Things, becoming the turning point of the novel? A. Stha, B. Rahel, C. Sophie Mole, D. Kochu Maria. The right answer is option C. Sophie Mole's death becomes the central tragedy around which the entire narrative revolves. Next question. Which pair is correctly matched? A. Walking with the Comrades Maoist movement, B. Broken Republic Booker Prize-winning novel. C. The Cost of Living Kashmir conflict, D. Azadi architecture. The right answer is option A. Walking with the Comrades, 2011, documents Roy's journey into the forests of central India among Maoist guerrillas. Next question. The repeated phrase, things can change in a day, in The God of Small Things primarily emphasizes A. Comic relief, B. The unpredictability and fragility of human life, C. Religious conversion, D. Colonial politics. The right answer is option B. It reinforces the novel's tragic vision that a single day can permanently alter human lives. Next question. Assertion. A. Arundhati Roy's fiction and essays both interrogate structures of power. Reason. R. Her literary and political writings frequently address caste, class, nationalism, and state violence. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. C. A is true, but R is false. D. A is false, but R is true. The right answer is option A. Both statements are true, and the reason correctly explains the assertion. Next question. Which publication appeared immediately after Capitalism, A Ghost Story, 2014? A. The Ministry of Utmost Happiness, B. Broken Republic, C. Walking with the Comrades, D. Listening to Grasshoppers. The right answer is option A. The Ministry of Utmost Happiness was published in 2017. Next question. Which literary movement most closely describes Arundhati Roy's fiction? A. Victorian realism, B. Post-colonial literature, C. Augustan literature, D. Gothic fiction. The right answer is option B. Roy is regarded as a major post-colonial writer whose work explores caste, colonial legacy, identity, and political power. Next question. Which symbol is associated with Velutha? A. Colonial authority, B. Freedom, transgression, and resistance against caste oppression. C. Religious orthodoxy, D. Industrial capitalism. The right answer is option B. Velutha symbolizes love across caste boundaries, resistance, and the tragic consequences of social injustice. Next question. Which award did Arundhati Roy decline in 2006? A. Booker Prize, B. Sahitya Akademi Award, C. Commonwealth Writers' Prize, D. Pen Award. The right answer is option B. Arundhati Roy declined the Sahitya Akademi Award in 2006 in protest against the institution's silence on issues affecting writers and citizens. Next question. Which narrative technique contributes to suspense in The God of Small Things? A. The ending is revealed first, while the causes unfold gradually. B. Strict chronological narration. C. Dramatic monologue. D. Epistolary narration. The right answer is option A. Roy reveals major events early and gradually uncovers their causes through nonlinear narration. Next question. Which work by Arundhati Roy deals extensively with global capitalism and corporate power? A. Capitalism, A Ghost Story. B. Broken Republic. C. War Talk. D. The Cost of Living. The right answer is option A. Capitalism, A Ghost Story, 2014, critiques neoliberal capitalism, inequality, and corporate influence. Next question. Which critical approach is most frequently applied to The God of Small Things in UGC NET and literary criticism? A. New criticism only. B. Postcolonial, feminist, and subaltern studies. C. Russian formalism only. D. Structural linguistics only. The right answer is option B. The novel is widely studied through postcolonial, feminist, Dalit, subaltern, ecocritical, and trauma studies perspectives.